Okay, welcome everyone as we learn the Mishna Yomis for this Thursday evening. Everybody said Yom Kippur Cotton today, not everybody, but people. And we're getting ready for Shabbos, Rosh Chodesh Av. We are going to learn, sponsored by the Fisher family, Lili Nishmas, Basya Bas Rabbi, Shlomo ben Avram Alevi, Perel Bas Ruvain. We also learn Lila Nishmas David ben Chaim, L'Refu Shalema for Yomis ben Chai Sarah, Yaakov ben Basileah for the Schus of Avram ben Yam ben Ishmael Yudis and family. We learn, sponsored by Yoel Klugman and family, and L'Refu Shalema for Avigdor Aryeh ben Rivka, Hinda bas Chai Sarah, Chana bas Shoshabina, Rivka bas Shira Leah, Yitzchak ben Siyam ben Dusha, Moshe Meir ben Esther Pradel, and Meir ben Chai Sarah. They should have a L'Refu Shalema. Now, remember, the essence of a carbon is the zrika, is the sprinkling of the blood onto the wall of the mizbeach. Ki adamu anefesh, the dam is the lifeblood, and it is mechaper. Now, certain karbanas, you apply the blood only once. But other karbanas, like an oiler, you do it at two opposite corners, and you do it on diagonal corners, and when you throw it against the corner, it hits two sides, so it's shtayim shein arba. Then other karbanas, like a chatas, you make four blood placements on the four corners, on the four kronos. So Beis Shammai says, kol hanitonin al mizbeach hachitzon, anything that's placed on the outer altar, certain karbanas are done inside. They're different, but anything that's placed on the outer altar, shem sonon matana achas keeper. If you do it one blood placement instead of two on the two opposite corners, or bechatas, and the chatas shtei matanas, two placements instead of the requisite four, is kosher. Beis Hillel goes even one step further. He says a chatas also, if you do one, is kosher. Beis Hillel af chatas shenisana matana achas, that you do it one placement, keeper. Now, since you fulfill your requirement with one blood placement, according to Beis Hillel, then when you do the second one with a machshava of pigel, of chutzlas manai, or machshava of psul of chutzla mekayma, it doesn't disqualify, because the carbon was already nitzrata with the first placement. The fikach im nasan as a rishayna kitikna, if you did the first blood application properly, vesashniya chutzla zmana, and the second one, which is now only extra credit, so to speak, with a machshava of pigel, keeper. However, if you did the first one with a machshava pigel, the first one which is vital, and the second one with a machshava of chutzla b'kaima, normally if you adulterate it with a machshava of chutzla b'kaima, it takes away the esakaris. But here it doesn't, because since the second one is only extra, pigel v'chayav and alav karas. Now, karbanas that are done in the inside mizbeach, certain karbanas, like the parhelim davar shel tzibur, which we learned all about in Horiyos, where Bezdin made an erroneous psak and the majority of Klal Yisrael sinned, or the Sarah of the Avodah Zara, or the Higot of Avodah Zara. There, you need blood placements on the top of the mizbeach, and also keneged the paroiches in the kodesh. There, every single blood placement is indispensable. So kol hanitonin al mizbeach hapnimi shem chiser achas mikol hamatanos lo chiper. If you're missing even one of the blood placements, it's not a good kapara. If you did all of them properly, but one blood placement you did improperly, even if it was chutzlas manai, it's possible, but be'ein by karas, because since each one of those blood placements are a part of the matter, if you did one part of the matter incorrectly, our Mishnah holds ein mefaglin b'chatzi matter. You can't make it pigul with chatzi matter. Of course, it's no good. So therefore, it's puzzle, but there is no karas. We want to thank you for joining us. Motzi Shabbos, the Daf Yomi will be at 10:35. Next week, the Daf Yomi will be at 7:45. And have a wonderful evening.